Kharyzma, and today is giveaway day. Yay! I told you guys I was doing a giveaway and today is the day. So let me get my notebook so I remember what the rules are and everything else is. Guys, I've been working so hard to get this giveaway together for you and everything else with the business. For those of you guys who don't know, my name is Kharyzma. My business is Kharyzma4u Fashion. I am expanding my business. I do custom clothing, hair accessories, etc., but I'm expanding my business into cosmetics, and my new product will be lip gloss. I did a video on my product launch announcement and that's going to be in a separate video, but for those of you who don't know, let me just show you really quickly so I can show you. These are my lip glosses. These are some of the lip glosses from my collection. This is the opal, this is the cappuccino, this is the red kiss, this is the honey gold. What is this one again? I forgot the name of my lip gloss. Honey gold, yes, honey gold. And this is the purple kiss. So these are some of the wand tubes. I have wand tubes and squeeze tubes, and I'm gonna have a I think I already put the video up of my fall collection. This is my Fall Vibez collection. These are squeeze tubes, and I'm trying to hold them the right way so you guys can see. These are squeeze tubes and they are fall color themed. So this one is copper vibes, auburn vibes, and coffee vibes. And that's gonna be available on my site on November 18th. But let's get into the giveaway, guys. I'm doing a giveaway so that I can promote the business, get the word out, and also help other people who want to start a lip gloss business, and also to give away some lip gloss to people who just love lip gloss. So, okay, let me talk about what the giveaways are. That's what we'll do first. Okay, so for those of you who know about lip gloss, you know that starting your business can be very challenging, I would say, because you have to learn about the business, you have to learn about the ingredients, you have to get your ingredients, you have to learn how to mix up the proper concoctions, and everyone doesn't want to do that. Like, some people are good at mixing things, but some people want to just buy the things already made and, you know, put their name and their label on it, and that's just fine too. I will be providing those services. I'll provide wholesale services in which I'll sell starter kits, which can help you get started if you want to learn how to make lip gloss, but you don't want to spend time looking for all the individual ingredients. You don't have time. I have that in a starter kit. So I'm going to be giving away a starter kit. I will show you right now what the starter kit has. Okay, so in the starter kit, you're going to be receiving a 5-ounce bag of lip gloss base. And you see my name is on there, Kharyzma4u. You will be receiving a 5-ounce bag of base. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna infuse the base with the coconut oil already, because right now I'm using coconut oil. In the future, I may use grapeseed oil because I understand some people have a coconut oil allergy or whatever like that. But for now, my lip glosses have coconut oil, fractionated coconut oil. I'm gonna be infusing this with coconut oil, so you don't have to worry about the mixing. So it's gonna come with a 5-ounce bag of base. You're gonna need tubes to fill the lip gloss in, and you're gonna get 10 tubes in this pretty, isn't this bag so pretty? Ah, I love pink. I love pink. You're gonna get 10 squeeze tubes for your lip glosses. You're also going to get a syringe kit, a 60mm syringe kit. And I don't want to open it up because I already packaged it. There's, if you can see, there's 1, 2, 3 pipettes in there along with the syringe kit so that you can fill up your tubes. Guys, I got you. Now, along with that, you're going to get a flavoring oil. It's going to be a random one. The one I'm using in this video is strawberry kiwi. It might be this one, it might be another one, but I'm just using this to show you what you'll be getting, and this is a flavoring oil. I'm also going to be sending your pigment. I'm not gonna send this big size, I'm just showing you the jar. I'm gonna take a little bit out of here and put it, it'll probably be a few grams. I can't remember off the top of my head how many grams it'll be, but it'll be enough to get you started. So yeah, so I'm gonna be giving away this starter kit along with the flavoring oil. This is the whole kit. Let me turn this. This is the whole kit that one lucky winner will be giving away. And guys, this is valued on my website at $60. So you are going to be getting a $60 gift for free to start your lip gloss business. So that is awesome. And I'm so excited for whoever wins this. Okay, so one lucky winner will be receiving these glosses from my Fall Vibez collection. My Fall Vibez collection comes with these 3, and guys, I posted this on my Instagram and so many of you commented about these colors. These are fall colors and they are beautiful. So one lucky winner will receive a full Fall Vibez collection. Those of you who have been ordering on my Etsy shop is for now for my custom clothing, my custom hair accessories and things like that. Those will remain on the site. However, orders that are people that are ordering my hair accessories have already started to receive some glosses from this collection. So thank you guys for ordering, and thank you guys who have signed up on the email list. So in addition to this, I have 3 other winners who will receive one gloss from this collection. So it might be an Auburn Vibes, it could be a Coffee Vibes one, and it could be or it could be a Copper Vibes one. So yeah, so that's 5 prizes. The starter kit, one person will receive all 3 of these, and then 3 other people will receive one from this whole collection. So guys, I'm so excited for you guys to win this. I love doing giveaways, and it's been a while since I did a giveaway. Keep in mind, I'm gonna be doing several giveaways. This is my YouTube giveaway. I'm gonna be doing giveaways on my Instagram pages. I have 2 Instagrams, my personal and my business. I'm gonna do one on there, and I'm gonna have random giveaways. So if you guys are into giveaways, into getting free stuff, stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram, follow my YouTube, because I'm gonna be really promoting my products and my business. So for the giveaway rules, because you know these giveaways come with rules, but it's definitely worth it because look at all the wonderful stuff you're gonna be receiving. Okay guys, so these are the giveaway rules. Number 1, you have to follow me on YouTube, this page, follow me, and please like and share the video. Number 2, follow me on Instagram, my business Instagram, which is Kharyzma4u Fashion, and that will be in the description box so you can see the proper spelling so you can find my page. You're gonna follow me on Instagram. Now, you're gonna look for the post on Instagram that says giveaway. There's only gonna be one, so you're not gonna miss it. You're going to repost that post. You're going to tag me in the post. That means you're gonna put at Kharyzma4u Fashion, and then you're gonna hashtag Kharyzma4u Lip Gloss Giveaway. Make sure that the spelling is correct for the hashtag as well as the tag of me so that I can see you and you can win your goodies. You're also going to tag 2 friends. That's not your account. Don't tag another separate account that you have. 2 people other than you, you're gonna tag them too, which means you're just gonna put at and your friends' names in that repost that you do. And that's it, guys. That's it. That's all you have to do. And all the information will be in the description box. Please, guys, follow the instructions because I've done giveaways in the past and people misspell things. They do 2 of the rules and you're not gonna win if you don't follow all 3 of these rules. The giveaway, the winners will be announced November 14th. Remember, I'm launching the website on November 18th, and I'm so excited. I look forward to you guys winning. For bonus entries, guys, you can also sign up on the email list. I'm going to be checking too. I'm going to be checking everything. If you want a bonus entry, go on my website right now. It's just the landing page. When you go on it, you're just going to see a page telling you to sign up with your email so that you can get information. If you want a bonus entry, just go on www.Kharyzma4u.com and sign up on the email list. And that's really it, guys. I look forward to seeing who the winners are. I'm always so excited with these giveaways. Guys, follow my social media because I'm going to be posting random giveaways. I'm going to be doing so many giveaways. And I have like the lip gloss tubes. I'm going to be giving away some of these at random. So you're definitely going to want to sign up on the email list. You're definitely going to want to follow, because I'm going to be giving away so many things. The holidays are coming, Black Friday sales are coming, the launch is coming, and I just want to thank all of you guys who have already supported me, who have been supporting my hair business, who have purchased custom clothing from me. Thank you guys so much. We're expanding, and I'm just so happy, and I look forward to helping you guys start your businesses too. I'm trying to think if I missed anything. That's really it. So that's it for the giveaway video. I have more videos coming for you, so I don't want to make this one too long. I'm gonna be doing separate videos talking about my lip glosses, showing you the different ones, the names, the colors, just so you can see what to expect when we launch. I have lip gloss making videos where you're gonna see how I make my lip gloss, and I'm gonna talk to you about what you can do if starting a lip gloss business is something that you're thinking about or may sound like something you want to do. I'm here to help. So again, thank you guys for watching. Follow me on Instagram, Kharyzma4u Fashion, that's my business, and on my personal Instagram, Kharyzma4u. What else? You can still purchase hair accessories. My Etsy shop is open, etsy.com/shop/Kharyzma4u. Sign up on my email list on my new website, which will be launching November 18th, www.Kharyzma4u.com. And like and share the video. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Subscribe, because that's the only way you're gonna win the goodies in the contest. But thank you guys so much. I love you all. See you in another video. Bye bye.